Dear students, now we are going to solve important problems in simplification of POS using K-Map. Simplification of POS expression, that is product of sum. The product of sum here represents max terms. So there is only one difference between simplification of POS and SOP. So the only difference is, instead of grouping ones, here in POS we are going to group zeros. So here the procedure for simplifying the POS Boolean expression using K-Map. First we are going to plot the K-Map based on the number of variables used in the given POS expression. After that we have to place zeros in those cells corresponding to the max terms given in the expression. So after placing zeros, we are going to group the adjacent ones as pairs, quads, octets, etc. So we can pair like this, we can make a group like this, single one. If there is no possibility to make a group, we can keep the one as a single one. 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 8 zeros, like that. Okay. So next, make sure that all zeros in the K-map are grouped or encircled. Finally, we are going to form the simplified Boolean expression by taking the product of sum terms. Okay. So these are the procedures to be followed for simplifying a product of sum expression. So before going to solve the problems, you should all remember the K-map for product of sum. So this is the single variable map. Here A represents 0, A bar represents 1. The POS term, that is max term, is denoted by capital M. This is 0. So here M0, here it is M1. This is the K-map for two variables, A, B. Row variable, that is A is the row variable, B is the column variable. Here you can represent A plus B 0. Here 0, 1 is 1, that is A plus B bar is 1. Here A bar B is 2, A bar B bar, here it is 3. So we can write as well this as capital M0, M1, M2 and M3. So this is for 3 variable. So here row variable is A, combination of B and C is the column variable. Okay. So here A plus B plus C, that is equal to M0. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, similar to your SOP. But only one difference is here we are using sum. Okay. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here M0 is nothing but A plus B plus C. M1 means what? A plus B plus C bar. M3 means A plus B bar plus C bar. M4 means A plus B bar plus C, like that. So this is for 4 variable K-map for product of sum expression. So here A plus B, here it is C plus D. So you have to remember these terms. Okay. So M0, that is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Here in the last row you can mention M8, M9, M10, M11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these numbers you have to remember for simplifying the values. Okay. So here it is A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. Likewise here C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. Okay. The first problem is to minimize the given expression using K-map. From this expression we come to know that it is the product of sum. Product of sum means what? It is max terms. So here F is equal to A plus B plus C bar multiplied with A plus B bar plus C bar multiplied with A bar plus B bar plus C bar, A bar plus B plus C, into A plus B plus C. Okay. So here we have to first plot the K-map. That is the first step. So here 3 variables are used. So we are going to plot the K-map for 3 variables. So this is the 3 variable K-map. So here A is equal to 0, A bar is equal to 1, B plus C bar, B bar plus C bar, B bar plus C. So what is the first max term? Here A plus B plus C bar. So here A plus B bar B C bar. So here it is the second column. So first row, second column we have to put 0. Okay. So what is the next max term? A plus B bar plus C bar. So here A is the first row. Where is B bar plus C bar? Third column. So we have to put 0 here. So the next one is A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So this is second row. B bar plus C bar means third column. So second row, third column. And then A bar plus B bar plus, B plus C. So A bar means second row. B plus C means what? It is the first column. We have to make the 0 here. And then finally A plus B plus C. That is first row, first column. A plus B plus C. So we have to put 0 here. After placing values, zeros, next step is what? We have to group the zeros. Okay. Here we are going to make a group like this. These 2 zeros together and these 2 zeros together. And this 0 we can group either with this 0 or with this 0. Okay. We can make a group either with this or with this 0. Okay. So we can make a group like this. Because in K-map, overlapping is allowed. Okay. So after grouping all the zeros in the K-map, we have to simplify the Boolean expression. So first we are going to take this group 0, 0. So for this to 0, what is the common value in this column? So here the B plus C. So we can write B plus C. Here it is A bar. So A bar means here it becomes 0. So leave it. So we have to write down only the common term. For these 2 zeros, the common value is B plus C. Here it is A. For this it is A bar. So it is cancelled. So next consider this group. Okay. Take this group. For this 2 0, what is the common value? So we can consider this to 1. So here it is B. Here it is B. Here it is C. Here it is C bar. Okay. So and then we can take only B here. Okay. B is a common for this 2 0. And also A. A is also common. So we can take A plus B. Okay. So next consider this group. Okay. For this group, the common term is what? For these 2 zeros, the common term is B bar plus C bar. Okay. So here these 2 variables are different. So we can ignore it. So finally, we have 3 max terms. Okay. So we have 3 sum terms. We are going to simplify it. So the answer is simplified expression is equal to, we can write B plus C multiplied with, the next one is what? A plus B. So we can say A plus B, that is multiplied with B bar plus C bar. So this is the answer. The next problem is to minimize the following expression in the product of sum form. So product of sum means what? It is max terms. Okay. So here the given expression is too lengthy and complex one. We are going to minimize this Boolean expression using K-map. So what is the first step? The first step is to plot the K-map. Okay, based on the number of variables used in the given expression. So how many variables are used? 4 variables. A, B, C and D. So the first step is to draw the K-map for these 4 variables. So there are 16 cells. Okay. So here it is AB. Here it represents CD. Okay. So next step is to place the values to the corresponding or the respective cells for the given max terms. So here the first max term is what? A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. So that is the first max term. So we are going to place its value in that respective cell. So A bar B bar means it is third row plus C plus D means first column. So first we have to put 0 here. Okay. A bar plus B bar plus CD means we have to place the value 0 here. And what is the next term? A bar B bar plus C bar D. Okay. So here A bar plus B bar means third row. C bar D means fourth column. So we have to place 0 here. A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Okay. So that is second max term. What about the third? A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. So you can easily say A bar plus B bar means third row. C bar plus D bar means third column. So we can place the 0 here. Is that okay? So next A bar plus B plus C D. Okay. So here A bar plus B means what? Fourth row. A bar plus B and then C plus D means first column. So place 0 here. So A bar plus B plus CD. Then A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Okay. So here A plus B bar means second row. Correct? A plus B bar means second row. C bar plus D means fourth column. So place 0 here. Then A plus B bar, that is second row, plus C bar plus D bar, that is third column. Okay. So next A plus B plus C plus D, that is first cell here. Okay. Then A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. A bar plus B bar means what? It is third row plus C plus D bar means second column. So this is what the given expression values. Okay, so the next step is to place values in the respective cells for each max term. What is the next step? The next step is to group the number of zeros. So here we can directly make a group like this. 4 zeros together. Correct? So it is nothing but what? It is quad. Okay, group of 4 0 is nothing but quads. Okay, so one quad is formed. So next one is we can make another quad like this. Okay, this is another quad. So this is second group. So we have to make a group to the maximum possibility of zeros. Okay, we can group this to 0 alone, but there is one more possibility to make it as a 4 zeros. So we have to group like this. Okay, so the next step. So next step here it is 0 is here, another 0 is here. Okay, so these two rows are adjacent to each other because there is only one change. Here it is A plus B, here it is A bar plus B. There is only one bit is changed. So we can say these two rows are adjacent to each other. So we can make a group like this. Okay, this 0 along with this 0. Okay, so the next step is to group the number of zeros as pair as quads. Okay. The next step is to simplify the Boolean expression for each group. Okay. So first we are going to consider this group. Okay. So for this group, what is the common term? For these two rows, first consider these two columns. Okay. Here it is C bar, here it is C bar, here it is D bar, here it is D. So we can take only the common term. Okay. So here it is C bar is there. Okay. So consider that. And for these two rows, okay, for these two rows, we can take the common term. Which is the common one here? Here it is A, here it is A bar, here it is B bar, B bar. So B bar is a common term. So we can say the Boolean expression for this group of zeros is B bar, C bar. Okay. So next consider this force. Okay. For these 4 zeros. Okay. So here the Boolean expression is common term is what? A bar, B bar. So here A bar plus B bar. This 2 is common for this group. Okay. So and here all the terms are cancelled. Okay. So here no common term. Okay. So this is the Boolean expression for this 4 zeros. Okay. So next this one. Okay. For this group, which is the common term here? here it is A bar, here it is A, here it is B, B. So B is the common. So we can take B plus in this side for these two zeros the common is what? C plus D. So we can write B plus C plus D. Okay, so finally we have obtained Boolean expression for these three groups. Okay, so we can combine all this together. Here it is plus. Okay, so finally we can write the simplified version of the given Boolean expression is equal to B plus C plus D, that is multiplied with, here it is B bar plus C bar, that is multiplied with A bar plus B bar. So this is the simplified answer. Actually the given expression is too lengthy, right? So this is simplified as like this. Only 3 max terms. Okay. The next problem is to simplify the following function using K-map. Here the expression is given like this. F is equal to pi of 0, 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 15. In the previous two problems, the variables are directly given as max terms. But in this problem, they have given the values indirectly. Correct? So here pi represents what? You have to remember this. Pi represents product of sum. Okay? So next we are going to plot the K-map. So which is the maximum number here? It is 15. So 15 means there are 4 variables. Correct? So the maximum number is 15. So the highest number. Okay, so the highest number is 15 means 4 variables are there. So we need to have 16 cells. 4 by 4 K-map. So first step is to plot the K-map for this 4 variables. Okay. So here and the next step we have to mark the values like this. So I told you earlier. So we have to make a mark like this. So values like this. M0, M1. Here it is M2. It is M3. Okay. Likewise here M3 means here it is M4, M5, M6, M7. And then M8 should be there in 4th row. Okay. So here it is M8, M9. Here it is M10, M11. So then 12. 12 is 3rd row. So M12, 13, 4, not 14. 14 is here. And here it is 15. Okay. So you should all remember this values. So next we are going to place the values respective to or corresponding to this given numbers. 0 means we have to put 0 here. Okay. So here it is 0 means M0. So put value here and then 2. 2 means where is 2? Here. 2. Then 3. 3 means M3. 8. 8 here it is where it is in 4th row, first column. Then 9. 9 means here. And then 12, 13, 15. Where is 12? 12, 13 and then 15. Okay. So that is the second step, right? So first we have to plot the K-map for the given number of variables. Okay. So then we have to place zeros with respect to each max terms. Okay. After that we have to form a group. Okay. So here first we are going to make a group like this. This 4 together. 1 quad. Okay. Then we can make a group like this. This 0 and this 0. Okay. And then these two zeros together. Okay. So what about this 0? For this 0 we have to group this one along this. Okay, because these two columns are adjacent to each other. Here it is 0, 0. Here it is 1, 0. Both are adjacent. Okay, so we can group these two zeros as pair. Okay, so the next step is to form a group. After that, we have to simplify the expression for each group. Okay, so write the expression for each group here. Let's take this group first. Okay, so for this 4 zeros. Okay, here consider these two rows. Okay, which one is the common term? A bar is the common term. Okay, for these two columns, which one is the common term? C is the common term. Here it is C, D, here it is D bar. So we can take only C. So here the Boolean expression for this group is A bar plus C. Okay, so next take this group. Okay, so here for these two zeros, the common term is what? A bar plus B bar. This is common for this 0 as well as this 0, right? So we can write A bar plus B bar. So, and then in the column side, which one is common? D bar is the common for these two zeros, correct? So we can write plus D bar. So A bar plus B bar plus D bar. Okay, this is the Boolean expression for this group. So next, take this group. Okay, for this two 0. For this two 0, the common term here it is A plus B. Okay, A plus B plus for these two columns, the common term is what? C bar. So we can write C bar. So A plus B plus C bar is the Boolean expression for these two zeros as a single group. Okay. Finally, we can write the expression for this group, for this 0 and this 0. Okay. So here you can say for these two zeros, which one is the common? Here it is A plus B plus, and the row column side, here it is C, here it is C bar, here it is D, here it is D. So we can take D. So now we have obtained 4 Boolean expression. Here it is A bar plus, then here it is A bar plus B bar plus D bar, and then here A plus B plus C bar. Here it is A plus B plus D. So there are 4 max terms. Finally, we can write the simplified Boolean expression as f is equal to A bar plus C, that is multiplied with, then take this A bar plus B bar plus D bar. Okay, then take the another one A plus B plus C bar. Okay, so A plus B plus C bar. Okay, that is the third one. And next A plus B plus D. So here A plus B plus D. So this is the answer for the given Boolean expression. This is the simplified version of the given Boolean expression. There are actually how many max terms in the given problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 max terms are reduced to 4 max terms. Is that okay?